The Edge 540's navigation problems often start with file compatibility. Routes imported from apps must use standard formats like GPX or TCX, which are XML-based structures containing waypoint and track data. Mismatched metadata within these files can prevent proper import. For example, invalid timestamps or elevation profiles that don't match the device's supported formats lead to navigation startup errors. Even with compatible files, the Edge 540 has device limitations. Routes exceeding 100 waypoints or containing high-resolution mapping data can overload the processor, causing startup errors and preventing navigation from beginning. To troubleshoot route import issues on your Garmin Edge 540, start by verifying your route's integrity. Use tools like GPS Visualizer to check for any errors in the route data before attempting to import. Ensure your routes are exported from apps like Ride with GPS or Training Peaks in standard formats such as GPX or TCX. These formats are compatible with the Edge 540's navigation system. If problems continue, try exporting your route in a simplified GPX format. Complex routes with many waypoints can overwhelm the device's memory and cause navigation failures. As an alternative, manually syncing routes via USB can bypass issues with wireless Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connections that sometimes fail during the import process. Clearing the device cache can resolve memory-related issues that prevent navigation from starting. Navigate to the Edge 540's Settings menu and look for the Clear Data or Reset option to clear the cache. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches affecting route navigation. Power cycle the device completely by turning it off and on again before attempting to start navigation. If recent firmware updates are causing the navigation issue, consider downgrading to a previous version as an advanced fix. This flowchart shows the standard firmware update process, starting from the service provider releasing updates through user installation. Downgrading reverses this process, installing an older firmware version that may resolve compatibility issues. Important: this is not officially supported by Garmin and may void warranties or cause data loss. Proceed with caution. This screenshot shows a firmware update screen displaying current and new version numbers. For downgrading, you'd select an older version. First, research the specific downgrade process for your Garmin Edge 540 model on official forums or community sites. Second, back up your device data. Third, follow verified community guides carefully. Some users have successfully downgraded to version 17.5 to resolve import issues, as reported in community forums. Always prioritize official support channels and consider this a last resort. When dealing with persistent navigation issues on your Garmin Edge 540, don't work alone. Join online communities where fellow users share their experiences and solutions. These forums, like Reddit's Ars Garmin and official Garmin forums, are valuable resources where cyclists discuss problems and find fixes. Users often share detailed experiences about route import failures and their solutions. In these communities, people frequently develop custom scripts or creative workarounds. For example, some users create validation tools to check route files before importing them to the Edge 540. If issues persist despite trying community solutions, make sure to report them directly to Garmin support. Your feedback helps the company improve firmware and device functionality over time. By participating in forums and reporting issues, you contribute to making Garmin devices better for everyone. The cycling community works together to solve problems and enhance our riding experiences.